Your lesson essential question is, how can you use an open number line to subtract tens and ones? So again, we are working on our subtraction strategies. And the strategy we're using is using an open number line to take away tens and ones. You know that a number line shows numbers in order from lowest to highest. They always go in order. They may count by ones on the number line. You may count by twos or fives. Sometimes not every number is shown, but they do start with the smallest number and go to the highest. And they don't always start with 1. You've learned that. An open number line doesn't have any numbers written on it. You need to add the numbers, and you're only using the numbers that are needed to help you solve the problem. We used open number lines to count up to add. We're going to use them in 2 different ways today to subtract. So we'll be counting backwards. So we have 68 minus 23. On our number line, we're going to start over here because we're starting with our highest number in subtraction and we're counting back to find our lowest number. So we're going to start with 68. Now when we added, we started down here. Again, subtraction, we're starting it over here because 68 is our greatest number. Now we're taking away 23. I see that I have 2 tens. So I need to take away first 2 tens. So 1 10, 2 tens. I know that when I'm working with tens, my tens place is going to change. My ones place will stay the same. So 6 tens, taking away 1 10. Now I have 5 tens, and I still have those 8 ones. I did not take any ones away. So 68, 58, take away another 10, 48. Now we're taking away 3 ones. So we've taken away our 2 tens. Now we're taking away 1, 2, 3 ones. So now I can just count backwards by ones. So 48, 47, 46, 45. All right, another way is to take away all of our tens and all of our ones at once. So again, we're starting on this end because 68 is going to be the greatest number we're working with. In a subtraction problem, the greatest number is always the first number. So I have 2 tens, so I'll take away the whole 20 at once. So 68 minus 2 tens, 68, counting backwards, 58, 48. And then I've got to take away my 3 ones. So 48, 47, 46, 45. So you can see I got the same answer both times. I just did it a little differently. It all depends how your brain works. If it's easier to take away each 10 separately and each one separately, do it that way. If it's easier for you to take away all the tens and all the ones at once, do it that way. It's completely up to you which way your brain is working.